Baseball was something that was always magical to me when I was younger. It's something that captured my imagination and still has that effect on me to this day. I'm going to share why this sign ball has so much meaning to me and how it's an expression of who I am. Even if you're not a sports fan, I believe we can all relate to the importance small objects from our childhood can have. I grew up watching and playing baseball, and some of my earliest memories come from family moments shared around a baseball diamond. As I grew older, baseball became more than just a game. It became a part of life that instilled values into me. I'll share with you how I was introduced to baseball, a bit about my favorite player, Lance Berkman, and why the ball signed by him is a reminder of the values and lessons I learned from the game. For me to explain why this ball is so significant, I first must explain why baseball as a whole means so much to me. My dad was the first person to introduce me to the game, and it became something we both shared a passion for. I began playing baseball at the age of 5 and immediately fell in love with it. Playing the game taught me the importance of discipline and perseverance. A few years later, I would go to my first baseball game and have a chance to get a ball signed by my favorite player, Lance Berkman. The ball represented a time in my childhood when I became enamored with the game of baseball. Next, I'll share why getting the ball signed was so special to me. Lance Berkman was a player who was always exciting to watch. Berkman was known for his power and hitting ability, and it made him stand out to me. He always showed qualities of humility and dedication on and off the field, and that made me look up to him as a kid. He showed me that you can be incredibly talented while still remaining a humble and grounded person. That was something that always stuck out to me ever since. Finally, I'll share what this signed baseball represents to me now and how it continues to be an expression of myself. Today, the ball is a reminder of the values and lessons I learned from the game. I keep it displayed on my shelf in my room, and it's a souvenir of the great memories I have from playing baseball as a kid. It serves as something I can always look at and have fond feelings for. The ball is a symbol of how simple objects can carry deep meaning. It's a constant connection to the values instilled to me as a kid. So in closing, I'll bring all my points together. I've shared how I was introduced to baseball, a bit about my favorite player, Lance Berkman, and why the signed ball by him is a reminder of the values and lessons I learned from the game. Although I no longer play baseball, the ball is a daily reminder of the life lessons I learned from playing the game. Thank you all for allowing me to share this special item from my childhood.